చాట్ బాక్స్ ఆన్ లోనే ఉంది అనుకుంటా. సో
ఓకే
those who are children who are reading or studying from class 1 ఒకటో క్లాస్ నుంచి 12th వరకు ఉన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే వాళ్ళ నేమ్స్ ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేయండి. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ మీరు కాలేజ్ అంటే స్కూల్ కాలేజ్ అలాగే టైప్ చేస్తే ఐ కెన్ కమ్ టు నో ఎందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఎందరు కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉండారు. ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ ఐ కుడ్ సీ ఓన్లీ 13 పార్టిసిపెంట్స్. దీంట్లో ఎందరు ఎలాంటి వాళ్ళని తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. అగైన్ ఐ నో దేర్ ఆర్ 3 ఫ్రమ్ మై ఫ్యామిలీ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, దివ్య అండ్ చరిత్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ వీ కుడ్ సీ 10 పార్టిసిపెంట్స్. వీళ్ళకి నేను ఐ విల్ షేర్ మై లైఫ్ స్టోరీ. పూర్విక విఎస్ క్లాస్ 5-7, దట్స్ గుడ్. పూర్విక ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు? వైశాఖ్లోనా? విహాస్ 8th క్లాస్. పూర్విక హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉన్నారు కదా ఇప్పుడు? ఓకే, నెల్లూరు. ఓకే ఫైన్, నెల్లూరులో ఉన్నారా? ఓకే. ఓకే, లౌక్య 3rd స్టాండర్డ్ ఆన్ సిస్టమ్. ఓకే, విహాస్ 8th క్లాస్. Okay, this is common for all. Let me share my life story first and then ఈ ప్రెసెంటేషన్ ఎలా తయారు చేశానంటే మనం లైఫ్లో సక్సెస్ ఆర్ సక్సీడ్ కావాలంటే ఏమంతా అవసరం అనే తర నేను చేసింటాను. సో విల్ సీ జస్ట్ 45 minutes of sharing with you and let us have this as a now. సార్ నాకు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయండి సార్ భానుప్రసాద్ గారు.
ఓకే 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 సార్, అయితే కోహోస్ట్ పెడతానండి.
ఓకే అండి.
సౌండ్ రికార్డింగ్ చేసినవా?
రికార్డింగ్ ఆన్ చేసి ఇస్తా.
సార్ కోహోస్ట్ పెట్టానండి, మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్.
ఓకే అవుతాను సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఐ కెన్ షేర్.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ గా ఉందా?
వచ్చింది సార్, విజిబుల్ వచ్చిందండి.
ఓకే అండి. టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ హూ ఆమ్ ఐ. ఇది అందరికీ కామన్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్. ఎందరికి వచ్చి మనం ఎవరు అనే క్వశ్చన్ మీలోగా ఉన్నది. ఫ్రమ్ మై చైల్డ్హుడ్ డేస్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఐ యూస్ టు ఆస్క్ మై సెల్ఫ్. నాలో ఎప్పుడునే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చును, నేను ఎవరు అనే క్వశ్చన్. మీకు కూడా అలాంటి ప్రశ్నలు వస్తుందా, వచ్చిండదా ఎవరికన్నా? అలాగుంటే మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసేసి మీ పేరు చెప్పండి. హౌ డూ యూ రిప్లై ఆర్ రెస్పాండ్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇలా మీకు ప్రశ్న వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు ఆన్సర్గా డిడ్ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్? హూ ఆమ్ ఐ? యూ డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఇస్ అ గ్రేట్ క్వశ్చన్ విచ్ కేమ్ టు గ్రేటెస్ట్ స్కాలర్స్ అండ్ ఫిలాసఫర్స్. అలాంటి వాళ్ళు అండ్ మన దేశంలో ఉన్న సైన్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఇలాంటి ప్రశ్నలు they'll have themselves the question, and I would suggest that ఇలాంటి ప్రశ్నలు మనం అడుక్కోవడం కూడా చాలా అవసరం. యూ షుడ్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. వి కుడ్ సే దట్ అలా అడిగేటప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఇన్నేట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అని చెప్తారు. వి స్టడీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ టు లెర్న్ ద థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ us, like to make materials, but there is inner world which is atma antar kada. Atma gurinchi chadavalante you should ask yourselves the question like who am I ane question is very very important anukuntanu. Ilanti prachana meeku evarikana ochindada? Atla ochinte you can ask me like okay, I could see 17 participants. That's good, I'm so happy. Anyone got the question, who am I, and who is ready to answer for this question? మీలా ఎవరికైనా ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చిందా?
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్.
Yes, you should unmute yourself and you can answer for the question. And this will not be a monologue kind of thing. నేనే మాట్లాడుతా ఉండి మీరు ప్యాసివ్గా లిసన్ చేసే మరి నేను ఎప్పుడు సెషన్స్ తీసుకునేలే. So I'll also make you to participate in my session. So actively participate in this session. If you don't understand or you could not follow my language ante I can go bit slower, and మనం ఆయనంత తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కలిపినట్టు మాట్లాడతాను. బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అ గుడ్ స్టేజ్ స్పీకర్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు. ఇంట్లో మాట్లాడతాం కానీ దట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ అ స్టేజ్ స్పీకింగ్. ఐఎమ్ గుడ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ యాజ్ వెల్ as తమిళ్ స్టేజ్ స్పీకింగ్ లా. బట్ తెలుగులో అంత స్టేజ్ స్పీకింగ్ అండ్ పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ స్కిల్స్ నాకు లేదు, బికాస్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ that much of exposure here to talk on stages in Telugu. But I used to talk in my home purposefully. మా ఇంట్లో ఉండే అందరూ తెలుగులోనే మాట్లాడతాము. సో ఐ నో తెలుగు. సో మీరు ఎవరు ఈ క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఐ థింక్ సో దట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ దర్ మైండ్. And when I was in childhood itself, when I was studying first standard, 4వ తరగతిలో చదివేటప్పుడే నుంచే నాకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ యూస్ టు స్ట్రైక్ మై మైండ్. లైక్ నేను అనేది ఎవరు ఈ ప్రపంచంలో, హూ am I అనే క్వశ్చన్ ఐ యూస్ టు హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ మై మైండ్. దీనికి మంచి ఆన్సర్ ఒక తర్వాత రైటర్ సుజాత అనే వాళ్ళు వచ్చి టీవీలో చెప్పినారు. ఐ గాట్ దట్ ఆన్సర్. ఆ ఆన్సర్ మీకు కూడా చెప్తాను, మీకు కాంప్రమైజింగ్ గా ఉందా అని చూడండి. యాక్చువల్గా ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆస్క్ యూ హూ am I, సో వాట్ యూ విల్ ఇమీడియట్లీ టెల్ ఇస్ యువర్ నేమ్ కదా. నేను ఇప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఇదే ప్రశ్న అడిగితే మీరు ఎవరు అని అడిగితే మీరు పేరు చెప్తారు, కరెక్టా? దట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్. బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ హూ ఆర్ యూ అని అడిగితే, మీరు ఎవరు అని అడిగితే అందరూ చెప్పేది పేరు. సో లీవ్ దట్ నేమ్. అలా లేకుండా మీరు ఏమైనా చెప్పాలంటే ఏం చెప్తారు? మీరు ఎవరు అని అడిగితే. So Divya is ready to answer, I guess. Unmute yourself.
I'm a positive soul. Always I think that.
Okay. There are two responses. One is you are a soul. That's right. Everyone is a soul. And Anma aned the soul and cheptamu. All the soul, or like Big Bang Theory tara. You know the Big Bang Theory. We can relate this to science అన్నమాట. సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ నుంచి ఒక పార్ట్ ద ఎర్త్ గా వచ్చింది. అలాంటి పరమాత్మ అనేది ఇస్ బ్రహ్మ, పరమాత్మ. ఆ ఆత్మ నుండి సృష్టించిన జీవరాశిகளே మనమంతా. సో ఈచ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆర్ డిసిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్, అండ్ we are all belong to the family of God. So if you want to worship God, you want to worship yourself. This is the basic idea for success. Okay, Meeru, if you want to succeed in life, then you should worship yourself and you should celebrate yourself. With this note, let me start. Manam andrune, each one of us on the earth should be appreciated and celebrated. Okay na? Manam andru, each one of us is unique with different talents. With this note, let me start. Okay, if I ask you, the school kids, the first question is, what should I become? మీరు ఏమి అవ్వాలా అనుకుంటున్నారు? Three of you answered as you are from school side. Purvika is there and someone from 3rd standard. You can tell me, what do you wish to become in future?
I will become scientist.
Who is this? Is this Charit?
Yes.
Charit, okay, all the best and advance wishes. And we have a scientist in the group itself. So first task is ready for you. Okay. And anyone else wanted to share your wishes? Rupa K raised your hand. You can answer, Rupa. Rupa?
I wanted to become a good citizen.
You want to become a good citizen, am I right?
Yes.
Rupa? Yeah, okay. That's fine. I think that according to me, all the citizens of India are good citizens. Okay. Again, if you want to be a good citizen, to whom do you want to be good? To yourself or to others? What do you think? మీరు మంచి సిటిజన్ అవ్వాలని చెప్పిండారు కదా. మంచితనం అన్నది it differs. Like you can't be good to all. This should also be carried. Okay, మీరు తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన లెసన్ ఇది కూడా. Okay, no one, like if you take 100 people, all 100 will not tell you as a good person or a good citizen or a good man. Okay, na? So again, I will tell you, you don't want to be good to all. Okay, if you want to be good to all, then you want to have some bad habits. Arthamautunda? If you want to be a good to someone who is not obeying law, or someone who is not having good habits, you can take some simple example like your friend who is not good. Okay, if you want to be good to her, then you also want to be bad. Say for example, if he or she is having some bad habits, okay, if you want to be good to her or him, then you should also follow the same bad habits. So don't always think to be good to all, but you should be good to yourself. Okay, this is my kind advice to you. Thank you. Anyone else wanted to share what would you like to become in future? మీరు పెద్దోళ్ళు అయినాక ఏమి అవ్వాలా అనుకుంటున్నారు? Okay, let me take these two responses. One is about character molding, that is good citizen, and one is about the profession, scientist. So generally, all the people, those who come to earth, think of these two things. One is like becoming a professional in future. Our education also goes around that. Say it was from earlier days, evarni adigina they'll give the response like two things: I wanted to become a doctor or an engineer. And that is changing nowadays. That's good. And we could see different responses like scientist, and there are some different professions which are emerging nowadays. You can also opt that professions, and we'll check how can this magic happen. Okay. Okay, this is my life journey, very simple timeline of my life journey. I could say that I was a kid and I was born in 1980, and I have completed and joined my grade 1, that is first standard, in 1985, and 1994 is my 10th standard, and 1997 is my 12th standard, and I have just studied 1999 TCH. This is my studies through regular classes. That's I have went to school and I have went to college for just 2 years, and I was a professional from 2000. So my college studies and school studies regular was this much. But believe me, after joining the profession, I have studied a lot, and now my qualification you could see as double ME, one in English, and the one in economics, and MCA, MEd, MPhil in English, PGDCA, that is computer application, EA, that is educational administration, and the IPICT is international pedagogy in information and communication technology. Today, I have written an online entrance test for getting PhD. Okay. So a man is a lifelong learner. So if you learn across your ages, then you can survive on the earth. That you should always remember. I don't say that you should pursue degrees, but you should learn something till your end, until your breath is there. Okay. This is the first lesson which I wanted to tell you. And this is, I'm not a big person to give advices. Just I'm sharing these small things. And to start with, I'm going to tell you a short story. ఒక చిన్న కథ చెప్తాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. You're looking into an elephant, okay, which is very big. ఒక పెద్ద యానగా ఉంది. There was a man who was visiting that elephant. Elephant చూసినప్పుడు he was afraid because దానికి యావది great పెద్ద పెద్ద ropes వేసి కట్టలేదు. There was a small rope and a small stick was hit, and ఒక కాళ్ళ చిన్న రోప్ ఒక థ్రెడ్ మారితే ఉండేదాన్ని మట్టు కట్టి పెట్టిండారు. దాన్ని చూసిన తక్షణం అతనికి చాలా భయం వచ్చింది చూసినోడికి. అండ్ హీ వాస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఎలిఫెంట్ లైక్ ఏం అడుగుతాడంటే, చూడండి ఇంత పెద్ద యానగికి ఇంత చిన్న థ్రెడ్ తా కట్టిండారే, ఈజ్ ఇట్ సేఫ్ ఫర్ అదర్ విజిటర్స్ అని అడిగినారు. దానికి కోచ్ ఆర్ ద మ్యాన్ హూ ఇస్ టేకింగ్ గాడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎలిఫెంట్ వాస్ రిప్లైయింగ్ లైక్, ఏం చెప్పినారంటే, సి this is because of the habit of that elephant. When it was a kid, puppy kind of thing, when it was a small elephant itself, we have tied this small rope. Okay, so from that day onwards, we are tying the same small rope, which when it become big also, it is thinking that we could not break this. And that is how, with this small story, I could give you a message like, we'll have fear and aversion, or we'll have small fear or barriers, I could say, some hurdles from our childhood days, which makes us to think of that success is not possible because of these hurdles. But when you get, or when you go one step ahead of that hurdles, you will definitely reach the success point, is the small message which I would like to tell from this story. మీకు అర్థమైంటుంది అనుకుంటా. I was with both Telugu and English. And this is your next question. Who is your hero? I could say, who's your favorite hero? Anyone can answer for this?
Nandan Chai is my hero.
Ah, very good. Charitha, you are thinking Nandan Sai as your hero. Very good. Okay. Anyone else wanting to share who's your hero?
My brother is my hero.
May I know your name? Purvika? Is it Purvika?
Purvika.
Yes, you're right. He has achieved something, so you are taking him as your role model. That's good. That's good. Any other responses?
My father.
There is echo from your side.
My father is.
Oh, your father is your echo hero. Fine. What is your name? Okay, Purnima, I think so. Your name written on the WhatsApp is like, your Zoom account is Purnima. So Purnima's hero is her father. Okay, that's fine. I didn't expect this. I was thinking that if I ask you your hero or favorite hero, you would tell me some names of cine stars. Okay, but I really appreciate the present generation for taking different role models to your life. And let me also share my heroes here. Okay, are you ready to see my hero? Here are they. Okay, this is my first favorite hero. Do you know who is this? Who is going to give the first response? Let me see. Can you name? Okay.
Swami Vivekananda.
Vivekananda.
How many of you like? How many of you like him? Okay.
I like him.
Okay.
I like him. I like.
Very good. Okay. Kindly mute yourself.
వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గించుకోండి కొంచెం.
Okay. Swami Vivekananda is my first hero, and his saying, I like everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Always keep this in your mind. This is my mantra which I used to follow. Everything will become easy when you keep yourself busy. Okay, so keep yourself busy, do something. You know, there is a greatest sin like Papa Manachu Emante. We all of us, and India is greatest in human resource. There are plenty of manpower in India which is not used at all. This is pathetic condition. Okay, it is mandatory to make use of our potential. Having potential is not a big thing. Each one of us have some potential, but make use of that potential in a right way. That's what I can tell you. Okay, so this is your mantra. you should also keep this in your mind always. Everything is easy when you are busy or when you keep yourself busy. But nothing is easy when you are lazy. Then you will also think of like Vivekananda as your hero. Next, I'm going to show you my next hero. Any guesses who could be my next favorite hero? Any guesses?
Abdul Kalam.
Who was that? Who gave the answer?
Purvika.
Purvika, you are exactly 100% right. Look at my hero. How did you get this? Okay, can you say any good saying from him? What saying do you remember when you think of Kalam?
I thought you are a teacher, so your words.
Okay, that's fine. Do you know any saying from Kalam? Do you remember anything? What comes to your mind when you think of Kalam? What did he ask you to do?
Dream high.
Okay, cherry typing. So he asked everyone to dream. Okay. Okay, you see. That's fine. And I'm also going to tell you a quote from him. See, let's look at his favorite quote. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. All of you will think dreams will come only in sleep, while you sleep. But it is something that doesn't let you sleep. You remember, you have a I mute, kindly mute yourself. Banu Prasad sir, kindly mute everyone. Okay, thank you. And this is the quote of Kalam, which inspires me a lot to work hard. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't let you sleep. Okay. You should not sleep when you have a dream. With these two heroes, let me enter. And this is my first national award in 2012 for using ICT from President. And they have selected 9 from the nation, where you could see this is Pallam Raju and Manmohan Singh, who was Prime Minister, and MHRD Syed Shashi Tharoor and Jitendra, and everyone was there during that meet when we had a chance of this is me here. And 9 from the nation were selected on that year. And this is my second national award in 2019 from NCERT for innovative practices. And this is present 2020 national award, where I have received it through online because of this COVID situation from President of India and the MHRD minister. And this is the video which they have played during that presentation, and I'll also play it if we have some time. Yeah, this is our Chief Minister, CM, and you could see me here. Okay, let me go very fast. And this is our Education Minister when we have got a chance to meet him. And this is the Education Commissioner and the directors of this is Education Secretary, and you could see all of them. And you know, this is UNESCO's education director. His name is Godana. And I was invited as a participant for this international UNESCO meet, and I have got a chance of meeting UNESCO's education secretary, and I have got a chance of meeting her. And those who are of Silicon side or Silicon Valley or of software side will definitely know him. He is Satya Nadella, who is CEO of Microsoft, which is like Bill Gates is the leading in both side, richest as well as in the software side. And I got this chance by winning the first in the nation, and there were participants from 114 countries who were the pioneers in the nation, and I was selected as this is me, when I have met him. It was the chance through Microsoft Education. And this is my second chance of a global exchange in Paris. And last before year 2019, I got a chance of meeting all the education experts from 114 countries in the year 2019 as well. Believe me, I don't have money. I don't have any political power. I don't have bigger marks in my studies. Like my 10th score is 75%, I guess, and my 12th score, I have got very less percentage, like 64 or 60 and above percentage. Then what made all this possible? That's the secret behind every man's success. You will have some drawbacks or minuses, and each and every man is made up of like skills as well as no man is complete. Like no one will have all the knowledges. Like if you have science knowledge, maths will not be good for you. Endariki maths ante ishtam? How many of you like maths?
It's the maths and
మీకు maths ante ishtama? Science ante?
I also like maths.
Okay, Purvika also like maths. Then which subject do you is not that easy for you, Purvika?
Telugu.
Telugu kashtam. That's what. Like there is two parts of brain, like left brain and right brain. And if your left brain is working good, and then your right brain will have some lagging. So there are four parts of brain scientifically, but it works like some are made for creative arts and other things. If it is so, then arithmetic and logical reasoning will be somewhat lesser. But if you work hard, you can get and acquire all the skills. Both your brain will work a lot. Okay. And this is also from Global Exchange. This is some pics from Global Exchange. And this is when I have met MHRD Minister Upendra Kushwaha during a meet. And you know, this is Smriti Zubin Irani during a meet of e-Pathshala launching. And now it is a game for kids. Now you're going to watch this for 30 seconds, okay? The pictures. After 30 seconds, I'm going to test how many of you are going to give me so many answers. Who is ready? Just watch the image for 30 seconds. Your time is going up. Okay. Now you're going to tell me how many comes to your mind from the picture. You're going to tell me in any language. It could be of Telugu or English. మీకు ఎన్ని చెప్పకైతుందని నేను చూస్తాను. You have watched it for 30 seconds, no? If you can answer for more than 10, you are good. ఎవరు చెప్తారు? Who is going to answer? Okay, 5. Who can answer 5?
Can I try, sir? This is Neha here.
Neha, ma'am, you can try, ma'am.
Okay, number 10, number 6,
Okay.
sun, fan.
Okay. What
But-
fan was there, ma'am?
Table fan
Yes, you're right.
and a bus. I remember 6.
Okay, that's van kind of thing, but you're good. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Thank you.
10, 6.
Then who is that? Neha, ma'am, very good. You have remembered 6. And you should follow some techniques when you want to remember this. So you can categorize like living things, numbers, kind of thing. Then you can answer easily. Okay. If now I'm going to show the image for 30 more seconds. Then let us check who can cross 10. Okay. So here is your check, second chance. So watch it carefully for 30 seconds. So So now organize it like logical sequence, like animals, two are there, pig and cat, and non-living things are there. What are they? Like top, hat, and a pin, like that. Brush and insects, you can see ladybug, and sun is there. Likewise, if you can remember, like stationary items, pen and bed, net is there, pin is there. Okay, now 30 seconds is more than enough, I think. Now let me check. This is how you can logically organize your ideas. Now let me check how many of you can say. Who is ready now? Who can cross 10? Let me check.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'll tell you.
Again, Neha ma'am, I guess. Am I right?
No, I'm Lavanya.
Lavanya ma'am. You didn't try last time, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can try now, ma'am.
6, 10, cat face, pig face, and a ladybug.
Okay.
Sun, a teacup, bed,
Super.
fan, cap, and a pen. Desserts bar, I think.
Okay, superb, ma'am. That's good. A big round of applause. So you have logically sequenced it. Anyone else wanted to try?
May I try? I'm Dhananjay.
Try చేయండి uncle.
It's spoon, cat, hat, fan, 10, net, bed,
Okay.
pen,
Okay.
pig, lip, pin, 6,
Yes. Yeah.
a box, wood, a mop. I don't know what to say. It is
Top.
okay. And next, it's a sun. It's an insect, coffee, and a car.
Okay. That's good. You have got all right. That's fine. Big round of applause. Then
Thanks
anyone
a
else
lot.
wanted to try? Okay. With this, we can give you a tip, like you can remember things when you arrange it in a logical sequences. And some smart people can take a snapshot and can read that. And if it is of online test, most of the times this happens. Okay. So now let me go to, this is an award from my TN Education Minister. The award's name is Dream Teacher Award. And this is Ambassador Award, and this is Channel Award from, and this is from our governor. I have also got an award called Best Storyteller from our Tamil Nadu Education Ghana. And the work which I have done, which is close to my heart, is this. I have set up a smart classroom with my own interest, with the prize money, which I have got 1 lakh from actor Lawrence. Most of you might be knowing, he have gifted me 1 lakh, and I have put 1 more lakh, and with 2 lakh rupees, I have set a smart auditorium in my school where 150 children can make use of this. Okay. Likewise, we wanted to do some remarkable incidents or remarkable things in our area, whatever possible. Spend some money for service. So God has given us some money. That too, I wanted to say, like micro minority community like us wanted to do something to the society to get the gifts of God. Okay. So this is how I teach dance and drama, not only teaching English, I also do this. And this is my daughter Purvika, who have placed herself in Guinness Book of World Record for her classical dance, and she is young scientist through this science fair. And this is from US. They have released like Nectar Guru Mantra, my interview. And with this, some of the achievements I have listed out. And now I'm going to give you some tips which will help you to enrich yourself and to go successful in your life. And what 5 things can you do in the morning? This is what I wanted to tell you. Decide what to do today. That is that day. When in the morning itself, you decide, chart out, like that too in this lockdown time, you wanted to list down, these are the things which I am going to do. After that, practice any one of these. Either go for walking according to your age. మీ ఏజ్ బట్టి లైక్ మీ వల్ల వాకింగ్ పోనైతే మీరు వాకింగ్ పోవచ్చు, లేదా ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ గుడ్ ఇన్ యోగా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, డోంట్ రిలై ఆన్ ఎనీ బుక్ యోగా. You go and learn yoga from any of your masters, and that will help you. Or else do simple exercise, or walk in 8 that cross, or else do pranayama. You follow any one of this, just 10 minutes for yourself. We are spending much of time for others, so we wanted to consider our life and our body healthy. So do any exercise and drink plenty of water, so which will keep yourself always active. If you don't have food also, you can live for a week, but water is very, very important. So drink plenty of water, so which will lubricate your body. You know how many percentage of this earth is surrounded with water?
78.
That's good. I could say simply like 3/4. Okay. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are with water. The same way, 75% and more of our body is with water. So if you want to lubricate everything, you know, if you want to the food to digest and convert into blood, blood is in liquid form, but what you eat is in solid form. So if you want to make it into liquid, then water is very, very essential. So dehydration happens. I'm talking for more than an hour. So it's very, very necessary. Like I wanted to take water, or else it will dehydrate. Whatever water is there in my body will dehydrate. I'm not even putting fan, as my voice will get distracted and there will not be a good audible voice. That's what. So when you are making this kind of job, then drinking water is very, very important. And this is Guru Mantra, I could say. Instead of writing any God's name, write and think yourself, write your name in any book, which will make you more powerful. Okay. And say yourself, I'm powerful. I'm powerful. In the morning when you wake up, say that I'm powerful. Okay. And thank God each and every day for giving that day as a gift. These are my 5 advices. And what to do during the daytimes? Reading books of your interest is essential. That could be ebook or any useful sites or anything. And listening to music, whatever music. First think of which songs are favorite for you. Which music do you like? Either Carnatic, classical, folk, or Western, anything. Listen to any music for 5 minutes. Improve your extracurricular activities. Each one of you have most of the people who are successful in many industries have taken their extracurricular activities as their professions. You might be good in singing, drawing, dancing, doing crafts, anything. Improve that. Spend time for that. And the next thing is very, very important. Me andarki cheptunnadi emante, you should spend at least half an hour to your family members. Okay. మీరు అందరూ ఒకటిగా కూర్చుని భోజనం చేస్తేనో సరి, వాళ్ళతో ఆడితేనో సరి, అట్లీస్ట్ టాక్ టు దెమ్ ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ ఫర్ అట్లీస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్. ఓకే. You can exchange your ideas. Whatever happens the whole day, you can exchange those. And I was telling that eat together. These are the things which I wanted to share. These are really going down nowadays, so we can inculcate those things in our. And to do in the evening, play any small games. Either it could be indoor or outdoor, or which makes you refresh yourselves. And talk to your friends and relatives. In the previous slide, I was telling talk to your family members and spend some time. Call them and you can relax. Stress buster. These are stress busters. And spend time in gardening and with pets will really help you come out of the stress. And you can do meditation and pujas in the evening. Sit calm, close your eyes, take a deep breath, think of anything within your inner mind. This will double your energy, that too inner energy. And in the night times, take light dinner is important, as all your body parts are taking rest when you are in sleep. So that take light food. These are simple advices. I'm not that big person to give advices. This I could share. Okay. And next, I wanted to talk about the skills. And believe me, I'm running out of time. I think I'll go fast and I'll finish within 10 minutes. And what skills should you develop to achieve success? I'll share some of the skills which are really essential for today's generation. Communication skill is very, very important. Talking with others. Meeta నేను మాట్లాడాలా 1 hour మాట్లాడాలంటే I should be very good in talking. That too, I'm talking with the screens, but I'm thinking that I'm reaching each one of you. Okay. Alanti matladam. You know, most of the rulers and the kings, those who achieved success is only because of communication skills. I can say some examples of political leaders. They come to the field of politics only because of this communication skill. So if you are good in communication skill, you can win and become a king or queen. And the next thing is this flexibility and adaptability. You must be flexible according to the situation where you are living and adapt according to the situation. And interpersonal skills are tested during your software testing. So developing that and group ethics is very, very important. And this is one more life skill, decision-making skill and solving problems. And I could say here one quotation like, no one plans to fail, but they fail to plan. So if you fail to plan, you can't get success. Remember this. Planning is very important. After planning, you should organize those and you should prioritize the work according to the needs. You will have 5 works. What to do first? You want to decide this. Okay. And this is another thing. You will think that I want that red hat, but your mother will give you blue hat and your boss will give another hat. So it is your duty to wear multiple hats. This happens in many jobs. You will think that we'll sit in boss chair, but you will be asked to serve as a servant. But even then, we should do it with 100% dedication. That will really make you to succeed in your life. That's what I wanted to tell you. And the next thing, quite opposite. You should also have leadership and managerial skills. These are very, very important. And apart from all this, self-confidence is very, 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 very important. Here, I could see the difference between superiority and inferiority complex. You should have a balanced stage of that, which is called as self-confidence. So I can say one example is like, if you can say that it's possible for me, I can do that. That is self-confidence. If you say that I only can do that, that is superiority complex. And if you say I can't do this, that is inferiority complex. So you should have confidence that I can do anything. Okay, that's where we should stand. And if I give you 10 chances of top highest paying tech jobs in 2020, which one will you adopt? Or which one you are going to select? So here are 10 chances for you. Will you select any of this, or else let me pass. Like here, you can see which job would you prefer? Either well paid, a peaceful job, or according to your aim and ambition, or else you want it as a abroad chance, foreign, or which is very challenging for you, or any job. You want to answer for this. Who is going?
ప్రిన్సిపాల్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు నీకు.
Which job do you want? I'm giving a chance of 6 jobs. Which are you going to opt?
I'll go with ambition.
Who is this?
I'm Adit.
Adit, very good. May I know what is your ambition?
I want to become a coder.
Oh, that's good. You're learning coding now?
Yeah, I know a bit.
You know a bit with what coding?
Java.
Oh, that's good. And that's great. I wish you a future coder. Okay. You can also learn multiple codings of Python and Scratch coding. And there are some different codings which will help you to create websites, apps, and games. Okay. If you learn the codings of creating games, apps, and websites, that will be more interesting for you and you can achieve a lot. And I wish that you will release a lot of games in Play Store and apps in Play Store soon. Okay. Congrats.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Okay. And this is how we should have ambition or something that's different. Each of us will have different aims. If you are taking a well-paid job, that might be your ambition again. Your ambition may be of getting a job which is well-paid. Sometimes all this together can also be there for some of you. Okay. A well-paid job which is also peaceful, which could be of your ambition, that can happen in abroad countries and which will also challenging and any job. I wish those who are watching this will get a job of all the 6 qualities. Okay. And this is what I wanted to tell you before winding out. And push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Simple ga cheppalante, if you want energy, manaki energy kavalante bhojanam maname tinala. No one else can eat for us. So that likewise, if you want to shine in your life, you want to work hard. Don't depend on others is my always, like this is happening in abroad. Like if they are 10 enough, they'll do their all the course of whatever they want to do, like household works or anything they want to do after. But we Indians and we are following traditions, that's good. But anyways, we also wanted to teach our kids to do their jobs of their own. That's whatever simple things they are going to do that. And the next which I wanted to say is, if you are offered a seat on a rocket ship, okay, it's going to go high. Don't ask what seat is it. Is it of economy class or else which is of first class, or the first seat which is of expertise over there is business class. You don't ask which class seat you are going to give. If you get the chance, just grab it and work for it. Then you will really get a business class seat. Okay. And I don't want to talk about this, and this is another story I don't want to tell. And I wanted to share my success secret. I always go with time management. I always dedicate myself to any work which I do. That's what there is a proverb called play while you play and work while you work. And steady effort and focus towards the goal. Accepting failures is very, very important, which is not there for present kids. మనం ఒకసారి ఫెయిలియర్ అయితే I have shown you some pictures of success, but there are more than 99 failures which happened before that success. You can think of Thomas Alva Edison, who have invented the tungsten filament. He used to answer like, when interviewer asked like, you have failed with 99 elements and you got it as 100th element tungsten. The reply from Thomas Alva Edison is that, no, I don't think so, because I have found that 99 elements or 99 filaments will not carry electricity. And the 100th one is also success for me, that I found that this carries electricity. This is how you want to be always positive. Okay. Patience, and the very, very, very important thing to success is respect others, respecting others. And these 4 C's or a gift which I am going to tell you: the communication, computer literacy or computer knowledge is very, very important these days. And the character is very, very important. And your self caliber. Caliber means your potential in doing anything according to your interest. And another thing which I wanted to tell is, don't worry about your marks at any time. Whatever marks you get, that is according to your judgment like the teacher. The teacher is not a judge. You are the judge, and you are the one who is going to judge your caliber. And don't worry about family's economic status. Okay, you might be a middle class or a poor or anything like that. It will not hinder your success at all. Don't worry about your native place. It could be a small village or a big town or a city. And don't worry about your opportunities. Okay, you will get shortcut opportunities. Someone will get that. And if you don't get that, don't worry. You will get a better chance next time. Okay, don't worry about others' comments. That is very, very important. Okay, if someone says that you are not fit for anything, accept it. Say them, yes, I'm not fit for anything. Okay, take it in a positive way. Leave it. Don't worry about any of this. Don't worry about anything in this life. Okay, this is my beautiful family, which is the background of all my success. You could see my Amma, Nana, and Chella, wife, and my 2 kids, daughters, and my mama, and Charit, who is very is Tata and Ava. And we are together and we are achieving this, and we always group, like I always love being with many people, and there are so many cousins also in Bangalore who are always my backbones, and my friends and relatives who are behind this success, and my fellow teachers and everyone. Okay, and all those who are watching, mana Rajulu Kshatriya community lo unde andaru sagayam valla ee success is possible, and let us be united to achieve more in future. Okay, and congratulations, you are the next winner, and thank you so much. And if you want more resources in YouTube, you can search Google or YouTube as Dilip Teacher, spell like DHILIP teacher, and you will find more resources. And if you want to be successful, and you also should have a name in like this. Okay, that's my humble request. And I'll also show my channel here. I think I'll share my screen and
thank you very much, sir.
Okay, 1 second. I'll share my screen and show you.
Okay.
Okay, this is Google, and go to Google and search, like if you search Dilip Teacher, okay, you will find 2 pages of resources. Okay, like this. And YouTube. You go to YouTube and search Dilip Teacher, you will find more than 100 videos for technology and English learning. So go and search Dilip Teacher there. And you can also subscribe my channel if you want to support me. Okay, this is my channel, and there are 101 videos and 6.3 subscribers, my students almost. And at last, I wanted to share you my blogspot for learning English, that is spokenenglishtn.blogspot.com. If you want to improve your knowledge, this is a free website which I have launched, and you can go according to your level. Beginner level, there are 6 modules, and 6th module is this. You will watch a video and you will have some activities which you can do. And if you can want any, like you can also take a test and you can get certificate. Okay. These are some of the resources which I wanted to share. And Chala Santosham Bhanu Prasad Raju Garu, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Ma mama Hemant Rajaki, Mita unde andra Rajul Sangam nunchi participate chestunna andarki namaskaralu. I really thank all of you for your active participation for the past 1 hour. And I thank my parents who are also part of this webinar. And thank you, sir. You're doing a great job. I'm ready to contribute and support you in future as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. And చాలా బాగుంది సార్, ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అంతా పిల్లలకి ఏదైతే అవసరం ఉంటుందో అదే ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇదంతా కూడా మాకు నాకైతే నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్లో అయితే ఇది తెలిసిన విషయమే కూడా మీరు ఇచ్చిన ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ మాత్రం చాలా బాగుంది సార్. ఇది ప్రతి పిల్లలు కూడా తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన విషయాలన్నీ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా మేము చేయబోయే యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏంటంటే రేపటి తరం పిల్లలకి మనం ఎంత బెటర్గా మనం ఇది చేయగలిగితే ఆ పిల్లలకి మనం ఇవ్వగలం, వాళ్ళ మంచి ఫ్యూచర్ ఇవ్వగలం అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద మేము యాక్టివిటీ స్టార్ట్ చేసామండి ఆల్రెడీ.
ఓకే సార్.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏంటంటే స్వామి జ్ఞానానంద అనేది మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటుంది, జైంట్ అండ్ సైంటిస్ట్ అని. తన జీవితంలో 2 రోల్స్, జైంట్ అండ్ సైంటిస్ట్గా 2 రోల్స్ చేసిన ఏకైక వ్యక్తి కూడా ఆయనే అండి. ఆయన పేరు మీద మాది యాక్చువల్గా వెస్ట్ గోదావరి భీమవరం అండి మాది. అక్కడ సమీపంలోనే గొరగనమూడి అనే విలేజ్లో ఆయన స్వామి జ్ఞానానంద మందిరం ఉంది. అక్కడ మేము ఒకటి సైన్స్ సెంటర్ ఒకటి ప్లాన్ చేయాలని చెప్పి అనుకుంటున్నాం అండి పిల్లల గురించి. ఎస్పెషల్లీ మీరు తమిళనాడు నుంచి మీరు వచ్చి కొత్త విషయాలు తెలుసుకున్నాక ఇది మనకి చాలా అవసరము అని అనిపించింది. సో మీ సపోర్ట్ తోటి మీ తమిళనాడులో ఉండే ఇతర పెద్ద వాళ్ళతోటి వీళ్ళతో కూడా కలిసి సైన్స్ సెంటర్కి సంబంధించి కొంచెం అడ్వైజెస్ తీసుకుని ఆ సైన్స్ సెంటర్ ప్లాన్ చేసిన తర్వాత అక్కడి నుంచి ఆన్లైన్ వర్చువల్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలని చెప్పి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం అండి. అంటే మీలాంటి పెద్దల చేత, ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ టీచర్స్ చేత కూడా ఇంకా తెలియని విషయాలు, కొంతమంది పిల్లలకి చాలా స్కూల్లో వాళ్ళ చెప్పిన టీచింగ్ అంతా కూడా సరిపోవట్లేదు, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న టీచింగ్ సరిపోవట్లేదు. ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలనుకున్న తపన ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఇంకా ఇప్పటికీ కూడా పిల్లల్లో ఉన్నారండి. వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే బయట ఎవరు చెప్తారా అని చెప్పేసి వెతుకులాట్లో గూగుల్ టెస్ట్లో చూసుకోవటం, మంచి మంచి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లు ఉన్నాయేమో చూసుకోవటం, మళ్ళీ స్పెషల్ క్లాసెస్ తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మేమే ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ క్రియేట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాం అండి. అంటే మీలాంటి టీచర్స్ ఇండియా వైస్ కానీ తమిళనాడు, కర్ణాటక, ఏపీ, తెలంగాణ నుంచి మంచి టీచర్, అంటే మీరు ఏదైతే చెప్పాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు, మంచి పిల్లలకి ఇవ్వాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నారు, అటువంటి పిల్లల్ని మేము సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని స్పెషల్ క్లాసెస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేద్దాం అని చెప్పి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం అనమాట అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కరోనా తగ్గిన తర్వాత దానికి సంబంధించి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అంతా రెడీ చేసుకుంటాం మేము. తర్వాత మీకు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు అప్డేట్ చేస్తూ మీకు మీ మెయిల్స్ పంపించడం జరుగుతుంది. తద్వారా మీ సపోర్ట్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందని చెప్పి మేము ఆశిస్తున్నాం అండి. ఈ పిల్లలకి సంబంధించి కానీ ఇది కానీ ఏదైనా సరే అండి. మన మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే మా టార్గెట్ ఏంటంటే రేపటి తరం పిల్లలకి మనం ఇవ్వచ్చు అండి. ఇప్పటి వాళ్ళకి ఏమి ఇస్తాం అన్నది మనం ఏ ఇచ్చినా ఉపయోగం లేదు. రేపటి తరం పిల్లలకి మాత్రం ఇవ్వాల్సింది బాధ్యత ఉందా అనే ఉద్దేశంతో మేము ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. అందుకు అనుగుణంగా మీ నుంచి సపోర్ట్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందని మేము ఆశిస్తున్నాం అండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఓకే సార్, గుడ్ నైట్ అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్.
హలో,
ఎవరన్నా అడగాలనుకుంటున్నారా?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. భానుప్రసాద్ రాజు గారికి ప్రతి శనివారం ఆదివారం మన రాజు క్షేత్ర కమ్యూనిటీకి ఎన్నో జూమ్ మీటింగ్ వల్ల ఎన్నో విషయాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళకి మా థ్యాంక్స్ తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. తర్వాత ఈరోజు స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ దిలీప్ రాజు గారికి చాలా సందేశాలు స్టూడెంట్స్ అంతా తెలియజేసినాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ దిలీప్.
Thank you, Mama. Thanks for arranging this wonderful meeting. మా అమ్మ నాన్న అందరూ అక్కడే ఉన్నారు, చూడొచ్చు.
యాక్చువల్గా హేమంత్ గారు మాకు సీనియర్ అని సార్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదివినప్పుడు.
ఓహో, ఓకే.
సో నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తాం అనుకుంటున్నాను వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్. ఇదిగో వీళ్ళు వాళ్ళ మదర్ రత్నమ్మ, శ్రీరామను.
నమస్తే.
For his success, they are always behind him.
Everyone
Thank
is
you so much.
my success.
Thank you హేమంత్ గారు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ప్రతి శనివారం ఆదివారం అందరికి ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్, అందరూ ఈ జూమ్ మీటింగ్లు అన్ని వాళ్ళు ఎంత పివి భానుప్రసాద్ రాజు గారు ఎంతో శ్రమపడి ఈ జూమ్ మీటింగ్స్ అరేంజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఫేస్బుక్లో కూడా ఈరోజు నిన్న మన జ్ఞానానంద స్వామి గారి చరిత్ర విన్నాను. చాలా బాగుంది, అద్భుతంగా ఉంది. అతను చిన్నప్పటి నుండి పైకి వచ్చి ఎన్ని సాహసాలు చేసినాడు, ఎంత సైంటిస్ట్ చేసి ఎంతో విద్యార్థులకి ఎంత విద్యాదానం చేసినాడు, ఎన్నో యూనివర్సిటీల్లో మంచి మంచి పేరు తెచ్చుకున్నాడు. అలాంటి వాళ్ళ చరిత్ర మనకు తెలియాలంటే వాళ్ళు కూడా మన రాజు క్షత్రియ వంశంలో పుట్టిన దానికి మనం ఎంతో గర్వపడుతున్నాము. సో అందరూ మీకు వీలైనంత వరకు ప్రతి శనివారం ఆదివారం ఈ మీటింగ్లో అటెండ్ అయ్యి ఇంకా జ్ఞానము తెలివి అంతా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలని కోరుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
మీ పేరెంట్స్ ని పరిచయం చేసినందుకు చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్ హేమంత్ గారు.
దిలీప్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు మా ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు ప్రస్తుతం.
ఓకే సార్.
ఈజ్ మై వైఫ్ అండ్ ఈజ్ మై.
మీరు ఇంత దూరం అన్ని అరేంజ్ చేసి మాకు ముఖ్యత్వం ఇచ్చి చెప్పించడానికి చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం అంటే ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అందరిని ఒక్క చోట చూసినందుకు. మనం ఎప్పుడు తప్పకుండా ఏదో ఒక రోజు మనం కలుస్తాం సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి హేమంత్ గారు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అరేంజ్ చేసినందుకు, ఆయన పరిచయం చేసినందుకు, దిలీప్ గారిని పరిచయం చేసినందుకు. నిజంగా దిలీప్ గారి స్పీచ్ చాలా బాగుంది. అవునండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. ఓకే సార్, నెక్స్ట్ టైం మనం మళ్ళీ జనవరిలో కలుద్దాం సార్. పబ్లిక్ మీటింగ్ ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం అండి, తప్పకుండా అందరం కలుద్దాం సార్.
షూర్ సార్.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్
యూ. I thank each and everyone for